Alright, here it is. Getting ready to go ahead and get it started. Getting it started right. We got, what is that, a 30, 40 gallon water heater right there?
Oh, you are?
Oh, pansy. Looks like he's getting married and he ain't even got good solid hands on him.
Instant blood.
Oh, roll it away.
We got 2 chains. You cannot lose them. Hey, what can I tie it to? Can I tie it to this bar? Yeah, hey. That's to the frame.
Double wrap it. There you go, one more.
Am I gonna be on TV, Mom?
Yeah, you're gonna be in the bed of that truck filming this thing.
Yeah. Hey, somebody drive the truck forward. No, we got it.
Pause while Brian wrangles with a simple chain. Alright, I guess we about got it hooked up, huh?
We need to wrap it around twice, actually.
Wrap it around them nipples, Brian. You need some practice.
We don't need to grind that chain in half. Here. Just hook it on right there. How did you get it? Alright, let's try that. There we go. Pull tight, pull tight. Here's our connection. I think it'll work. Hope we don't run them. Let's give it a shot. Hey, you want me to drive and you video, Chris?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Alright, get in the back of the truck. I'll video. You video.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. A little more. There it is. Four-wheel drive. What it's about, 38, 12-inch lift. Maybe a little bit of Budweiser power, perhaps. Hang in there for more action. Flowmaster. Alright, we just picked up the water heater. There it is right there. Got the water heater picked up. So now we're going to do a little more riding. Lost one of our chains. Go back down there and pick that chain up. Got to do some brief four-wheel driving here. Turn around, but I think we'll be good to go. Go back, pick up another chain, tie on this water heater once again. Let's see if we can get this baby sideways, take out some mailboxes or I don't know, perhaps something legal. We'll see what happens. Alright, here we go. It's about to knot it up, take off. Oh, I thought we were ready. What's the holdup, Brian? Skip all that trigonometry in school, them angles and stuff? I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that ain't gonna hold right there. Hey, that ain't gonna hold.
Man, I don't know no knot tricks.
Right here, that hook. That hook ain't gonna hold. You put it inside of a, you need to slip it down through there.
That's the closest one I can get.
There you go.
That's when I had it before and it didn't hold.
Okay. Yeah, it did. It held through a car and a bridge. Alright, put that double wrap on it and see what happens. In the bushes. Oh, backwards. Oh, there goes the lid. Nice. Come on. Come on. Just keep on going. That's great. Well, we've awoken the natives. Apparently they're unhappy about our shenanigans this late hour. Hopefully they're going to get smart, let's haul butt and get out of here.